Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Flip Finance. The world of work is changing fast. New technologies are emerging, industries are evolving, and the skills employers seek are constantly shifting. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve and build a successful career in this dynamic landscape? Today, we're bringing you the ultimate guide, the top 20 skills you need to learn for a thriving career in 2024. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or looking for a career change, this video will equip you with the knowledge and skills employers crave. Communication skills. This includes both written and verbal communication. Being able to clearly express your ideas, listen effectively, and collaborate with others is crucial. Analytical thinking and problem solving. Think critically, analyze data, and find creative solutions to complex problems. Flexibility and adaptability. The ability to learn new things, adjust to change, and embrace new technologies is essential in today's dynamic work environment. Time management and organization. Mastering your time and staying organized will help you prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Digital literacy. Being comfortable with technology, from basic computer skills to using different software programs, is a must in today's digital world. Self-motivation and initiative. Take ownership of your work, be proactive, and demonstrate a strong work ethic. Lifelong learning. Never stop learning. Embrace continuous learning and stay updated with industry trends. Decision-making and critical thinking. Evaluate information, weigh risks and benefits, and make sound decisions. Teamwork and collaboration. Being able to work effectively with others in a team environment is essential. Leadership. Optional. While not required for all jobs, developing leadership skills can propel your career to new heights. Leave a comment below with your questions. Let's build a community of young investors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.